Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to make a video on SPS, but the chart platform that I was using, which is Dex Tools, was showing SPS in a very funny way, so it was very hard to read. When I checked the SPS price action in Gate.io, I found that it was actually on a cusp of a breakout, so I thought, why not make a very short video here just to illustrate what's going on before things go on the upside. It's going to look a little bit funny, so I apologize for the chart layout. Gate.io isn't really the most sexy or intuitive chart platform, but we make do with what we can, okay? So remember in our previous discussion when I talked about SPS, I talked about when we rallied from this low. So when we rallied from this low, I did mention a bearish case where we were forming what we call an ascending wedge right here. So typically, an ascending wedge tends to be a bearish structure only when you fall from the lower trend line. So over the past 1 week or so, when we fell off this trend line, we also unfortunately broke structure. So what I mean by breaking structure is we have fallen below the EMAs, causing a downtrend that we have been fighting from ever since. Now, one of the good things that's been happening recently is we have now reversed course and have since started to form a descending wedge instead. So a descending wedge, for those of you who are not aware, is the opposite of an ascending wedge. It is inherently a bullish structure, but only if you break out from the upper trend line right here. So if this is the candle that sort of breaks out, this is the potential play that we're looking at. What we want to do here is once again, break out of here, maybe back test it as support before continuation to the upside. So similar to the ascending wedge, the technical target for this breakout would be where you started forming the wedge, which is around here. So if we were to break out from here, our price targets would be at around 65 cents. But you may be wondering, could we also fall off from the wedge? Sure, because you can always do this. So you can always coil and coil, but eventually break structure to the downside instead. Doesn't look like it's going to happen though, because if you look at Gate.io and other platforms, look at the buying order. So the people who are longing SPS, it has now outnumbered those who want to short it. So we're in a pretty good place. It's just a matter of waiting. But I just want to give a quick update here because when price action tends to coil up like this, it really is forced into a decision. So we will see what will happen with SPS. But in the meantime, we hope that we start breaking the trend and move on from here and continue our bullish ascent. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates. Also, let me know what you think down the comments below. If you want certain gaming cryptos to be analyzed by me, leave it in the comments and maybe I'll look at it. Until then, that's all for me. Bye-bye.